Hello guys, so welcome to the channel. So in this video we see how the agent will receive the notifications in the tawk.to. This is an open source chat. You can integrate in any website. So the same code can be integrated in a multiple website, I guess. So the later I will disclose on that part. But you see in the previous video, if you're not watched, let me recap that one. So this is my LMS. So I usually use for the demo purpose. So here I have integrated that free chat options here. So in case you are interested, I will give you the link of that particular how you will be able to integrate within your LMS or within your website. Now coming to the question. So in this video, basically you'll see how I can message here as an end user and how the agent will be responding to me. And from here they will get the notification is coming from the user. Alright. So this is my channel and I'm going to start this here as a new chat. Let's say hi. So this is currently in active mode and I have not closed this one. So that is why it appears. Alright. So if I read this, I can read this. Yeah. So visitor like this conversation. So we'll have like message like this. So what I am sending the message for the first time. Let me close this one and here let me log out again. Yeah. So I'm logout, doing the logout from here. So if I am logging again and coming back to the that elements where I have indicated, so this is usually your condition will be. Now coming to how this is the recent conversation. So if I click here on the message, got it. So on the message, either I can continue with the recent. So you can follow up on this query you have, whatever the communication you had, you can follow up on that. And of course the here the agent will get notified and they will be responding accordingly. Now here you see the chat options. You can always initiate the new one, right? So if you click on the new, you see here scroll to down. So the new chat will be initiated. Okay. So message. So the new conversation you typically reply in a few minutes. So if I click on this and I can type here hi. Got it? The moment I type, because I have tried this one as a new, so here the chat agent basically you'll find this as a admin role will be notified like this. Got it? And how they will be able to open. So I am an agent here. So here I can see the plus icon. I will have to click here. And if I click on this, I will find this. Okay. So this is the communication is made and last 24 minutes I am active with this user. So if I click on this, I can see whatever the message appears here. Correct? So even you can reply hi. You can reply here hi. So before doing that, you'll have to click on the join chat. And in case you will have the multiple, so this is basically in case you are logging with a different agent, your name will appear here. Got it? So currently I'm logging with this user, so it's my name. So if I click on join chat, how the user will find here. Okay, so I have already joined as a agent to help this particular user. Okay, so nothing come up here. So once I join, so that means now I am able to communicate and give the response on this. Hi, welcome to the site. How can I help you today? Right. So the message you send here as an agent, the user will find you. Right. You can type your message. I need help in getting a course enrolled. Can you please help? Okay, so like this, the communication is on the process. Now I have already accepted the chat. That's why it's just a simple beep message, no ringing notification because communication is already in the progress. Fine, cool. Tell me the course name. Alright. So this is something while the user again receive and I want a Moodle development course. I want Moodle development course. Alright. And here I as an agent I can respond. This is the link. This is the link for self enrollment. Alright. So the link I will have to send up also because yeah. So I can come to my LMS, and if you go to the any new tab you will find chat. That means your chat will not be go away. So everywhere if you come to any other chat you will find that. Let's say I have to send this one, so this link, so I can send the course link. Okay. So I'm not teaching here. Okay, so now you'll also find here the visitor where is going. Okay, this is very interesting thing here. So your site is already connected here. Now, how the visitor and which page they have visited. So you'll find that that is going course inside this one. So you can also guide from here how they goes. Now you are within this course. You can click on the view. Okay, so you can guide like this. I can see you are already in this course on the view page of this course. You can click. You can guide. Click here on any specific button. Okay, so you see, this is a very nice tawk.to, the chat and support tool. So everything will track here. From here, the user is doing the chat, doing the text on which page they are currently on. Okay, so this is a very interesting tool you can integrate in your LMS, and this will be also helping you where the currently user is. Correct? Now, if I have to close, hopefully you got the answer. You can type here, and the user will be responding there, and you can close the chat. You can do the chat. Correct? So this is how quickly you as an agent will be able to respond to the student query in case you are using the LMS, and even the teacher can use the same channel, so they can chat with you. Now you can click here, go to participant in case you have to enroll the users. If now you are on this page, so you can also see here where the user is going. Now coming to the actual link and the page from where you can close this particular chat. Okay, so let's say you'll be chatting, doing the chat and responding on the query here. And if you see the right side open, you'll also find the details of that user about in case they have given you the email ID, and in case there is a media link, and okay, so like this you'll have everything here. And on top you find the knowledge base and the cross icon, that means the shortcuts, and here you'll find the button like you see the watch. So here the history will appear. In case you have to close this one, you just have to click here on this close button. Okay, so let me try clicking on this one, close. So if I click on the close, and let's see, so nothing come up here at the user end, but this chat is closed. Got it? So this chat is closed now. Again, if you go back here on this link, and you'll find if I click on this, I again have to rejoin this chat because I have already closed this one. And if you see the history here, you'll find the closed. Got it? And what if you want to send your complete chat history to user? You can copy here. You will find here the copy transcript. So I can simply copy this one and I can send over to email if required. Okay, let me copy. So I have already copied that one. Let me try pasting here in yeah. So this is what all we had chat. Okay, so you can simply copy paste and you can send over the email the transcript. Got it? So this is how you'll be able to join any user to support as an agent. And here we also see how I as a end user and customer I can chat with agent. Okay. So this is just a simple one. Only the thing is here how admin or the agent will be responding and what all the feature they will have to take care. Okay. So that's it from this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.